And we're back.
Look here.
All right,
Look here.
let us say that again when the first person coming in. Because we're there.
Let me tell you something. We, technology.
Yes, we took a slight break. It was a station break.
That's right. That was a commercial break. But come back right back in. I'm still here with Miss Brenda.
Jennifer, Miss BJ Pierce.
Miss BJ
Brenda Jennifer Pierce, thank you very
Look
much.
here.
Of the Heartland
If you
Pierce.
remember her face, right? This same lady
Wait, but let's help
on the
them out.
flight to Jamaica.
We're going to help them out.
You want to
now.
tell them out? Oh, she have the hat.
I four of them have. We don't know what to do. Charleston's hot.
Yes.
Charleston's really hot.
Yeah.
Charleston is right on the water. So it's pretty much island life. It is island life.
Yes.
I started off with the big straw hats. It took a lot of years for me to be able to walk around not covered in the heat.
Yeah, yeah.
Because like I said, the nerve endings are all jacked up. But no, I've finally drifted down to this one, and I have 4 of them.
Look here, you
'Cause
know
they
what?
work well when I'm taking pictures.
You know what I love about Miss B is that she's authentic. You understand? I saw you see her on the video.
That's it.
I saw you see her on the TV. You hear her. You reach for radio?
Here, no.
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 Okay.
No. I haven't
But
been on the radio.
you see her in the media. This
did
is
way back
exactly
when.
how Miss B is
And that's
in
why I'm not on
person.
No matter this summer, we wouldn't get a husband because of my mouth. And mine,
Look
I
here.
put some good food.
Look here.
Food will make people lick them scream.
Yes.
And the man still not pay me no money. It's alright. You know,
What
sister
you
got
know?
the what?
What
Give
you
me the
know?
plate, take it and move me around. Hey!
Watch it now. I know the inbox go full up.
Who
That's
for?
all. No. No yours.
I'm going like Calypso
Hi,
Rose.
Beverly.
What did Calypso Rose say? Young man. Yeah. No man, listen. It's I'm seasoned.
Yes.
What you mean 23 seconds left? We're up too long for live.
Uh-oh.
Blow out. I saw the day on long. Me there on my Instagram, I look for chop we off.
I think we've been here for an hour, but trust me, guys, comment and share your thoughts with us. I know you're enjoying this. You know, reason
We're not
actually.
going to worry about it. I love you.
We love you,
I
Instagram.
love. We
Come
love
on
you,
over to
Instagram.
Facebook. Come on over to Facebook, right here on Jamaicans.com Facebook page, and you can probably save that.
Oh yeah, well
Yeah.
it's set to save
Yeah.
from the get go.
Yeah,
So
that's
we'll
awesome.
go with that
Yeah.
one.
All right, and we're still right
we're
here
still
on
right
Jamaicans.com, livewellja.com. Look here, man. Let me tell you something.
Gonna make you-
I think it's so important that we connect with our heritage.
Have
There you
to.
go.
'Cause
Right?
If you don't, you're not trouble.
Connect with our heritage, connect with our culture, right? And connect with our people.
Because it's like they just had a meetup in London, Exhibition J.
Yes.
And Exhibition J has been doing. They're the ones who I carry the hashtag Reconnect with Jamaica.
Yes. Connecting the dots.
Connecting the dots across the diaspora. That's my.
That's yours.
Because when you hit that, you're going everywhere. But then I'm not playing ticket money last Christmas. Africa me go via Instagram, baby. All 54 nations. All 54 nations.
Wow.
But no, they had a physical meetup
Yeah.
of folks who are interested. A lot of people would like to explore Jamaica,
Yeah.
explore their roots. They have been part of a consciousness, and even if you look in the UK, how Windrush folks were invited. Now you figure you're going to deport Windrush people. How the backside you're going to deport somebody where you invite for come and the people in bonding. That's like when I'm saying, when me to America sometimes go back where you come from. I'm like, where exactly would you like me to go? Because when you broke it down, British birth certificate, the first passport I ever traveled on, a Jamaican passport.
Yes.
Why? Because my mother's Jamaican. We not question the father them, but we know side the mother them, the pit of them come from. And that's the other thing too. You know how many Jamaicans are American citizens but don't know it because the parents don't talk it. The parents went and naturalized and never checked the little box under the signature line, which would automatically give their children their certificate. Me are one of them. My father naturalized 3 months before I graduated high school. I wasn't told.
Wow.
Never knew.
Wow.
Went to college as a resident alien. Was told, don't take the work study, which frig up the rest of the financial aid.
Yeah.
But in the meantime, it wasn't until 10 years later that they were doing something, and it was a reform of the Welfare Act. I downloaded the whole 500-page document and read it. In there was the grandfather clause. It said I'm a derivative citizen. Plenty uno did it. If your parents became naturalized before you were 21 years old, even though they never give you the paper, trust and believe, you're an American citizen. It does not matter where in the world you were born. No, you didn't have to be born in America.
Really?
If your parent naturalized before you turn 21, even if I yard, you're still there. Even if you're 50, 60 years old. When I went to pick up my certificate, the man said, this is for children. I said, baby, as long as my daddy had raised his hand, I could be 90 coming to pick up this paper. And guess what? You don't have to raise your hand. Your parent already did it. Only thing them turn around and do, and you look a baby picture them more than they have over the years. Nobody know who you picture them better than United States immigration or British immigration.
Wow.
And them have your history.
Look here, guys. It has been amazing with Miss B. I thoroughly enjoyed the experience.
I know I did.
We're African. You can't come back to Jamaica and tell me say you come. Else me will find a way where you're there.
You see, you make one little trip come my yard. But no, so me can't, hey, listen, that's no lie. I went on Spa J.A. the next day, I went to Island Grill. And when I was leaving Island Grill, because the lady they act a big funky and hang out her mouth talking. We tell them a few things about customer service and things. And I knew, I said, watch this, I could come back to buy me. Lo and behold, I wanted to post here the lady. That's a lady from Island Grill last night. It bad enough for one night airport. Now she get immigration one bag of trouble. No. If you wanted to know what was in my suitcase, that form of paper should have been with the other form of paper. Don't wait till when me get 2 seconds from Jamaica here. And you all come stress me out. I me come for say. Me not come for spend time with immigration officer.
Look here, guys. Tell them again where they can find you on social media.
I'm Miss BJ Peart, MSBJPeart.com. Twitter, MSBJ Peart. YouTube, MSBJ Peart. Tumblr, MSBJ Peart. WordPress, MSBJ Peart. Blogger, MSBJ Peart. Instagram, MSBJ Peart. And of course, Facebook, MSBJ Peart.
Go and follow her. I'm already following her. You understand?
We're connecting the dots across the diaspora.
That's right.
And this is where we start. Jamaica, London water. Why? We're little, but baby, we're Talawa!
And that was another episode of Reason with Ashley and Mo to Pear. Take care of yourself.
Boom! Big up yourself, my name. Remember teeth in the video there right now.
Of course. Right now. Share it too. Uno teeth it too. Teeth it on the profile and pages and continue to follow Jamaicans.com Facebook page. Mwah.
Live well, Jamaica. There's no other choice. Loving you means when you don't love yourself, nobody can love you better. We live well, Jamaica, Jamaica.com. Live well, Jamaica. Boom.
Look here.
Now, where the Aki and Sash.
Look here, my love Miss B. Later.